Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you quickly how to tie off and sew in your ends. This was something I wasn't really sure how to do when I first started, and I know everybody does it differently. I just want to show you a quick and easy way that I do it, and I just finished up this fingerless glove. I do have a tutorial for these, and that will be in the description box below if you'd like to see it. So this is a finished off one here, and I'm going to show you how to finish this one off. So I just slip stitched into my last stitch, and what I like to do from here is chain one, and then I cut my yarn, leave a good amount of yarn. I probably usually leave too much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So I don't know, maybe like 6 inches of yarn or something. And then because you chained one, you can just pull that through and pull it down, and it will leave a little secure knot there, but that's not always secure enough. So you'll want to get a yarn needle and just put your yarn through the needle. And like I said, there's a million different ways to sew in ends, and for every project it's going to be different, but this is how I normally do it. So I would just go kind of into the back here so that we're sewing on the inside so you can't see anything on the outside. And then I just go through some stitches, and I try to go in different directions. So if I go down, then I'll try to go over here to the side, pull my needle, and then maybe go back down. This one has a lot of holes in it, this project, so it's kind of difficult. If it's a tighter project, you can kind of weave in and out, like up, down, side to side, a little bit easier, but so maybe I'll go down here. Some people just do about 3 times. I like to do a little more just because I want to make sure that it's secure. So then I'll go up here, pull it a little bit, and then when I think that it's, I mean, normally, like I said, if it's a tighter project, you can probably just cut your yarn there and it will stay just fine. But because there's holes in this one, a lot of times I will then go through a stitch and make a loop with my yarn here, and then I put my needle back through the loop and pull it so that it leaves a little knot. I mean, it's not anything that anybody's going to see or feel, but it just secures it a little bit better. And you can do that twice if you want, maybe like in a different direction. Just find a little place to go through, make a little loop, and put your yarn needle through the loop, and then pull, and that will leave a little knot there. And then you can just cut your yarn and you're done. You've tied off and sewn in your ends. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to leave a like and subscribe, that would be very beneficial. I would love you forever. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions or anything else that you'd like to see, please leave those in the comments below. And if there's anything that you'd like me to make a tutorial for, please also leave that. I'd be happy to do it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.